Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. Check it out. Our very first 2023 Toyota Highlander XLE 4-cylinder turbo. What? Let's check it out. So let's get started up front. In this video, I'm going to cover the exterior, and then if you're interested in learning more about the interior, catch video number 2, the interior. There'll be a link in the description for that. So not a lot has changed on the outside of the Highlander for 2023. Most of the changes are going to be under the hood and inside. So we'll get to that, but I just wanted to cover the front style here. So the headlights are the same as last year. These are projector style headlight, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and then you have your turn signals in there as well. They wrap all the way around to the edge, and there is an amber light bulb in here as well that gives some additional visibility there on the side. Down below on the bumper, we've got a color to match bumper. This is midnight black metallic. That's going to be a halogen fog light there, multi-reflector fog light, and the XLE trim comes standard with that fog light package. Now down on the lower bumper, we've got the ABS valances down here, and this is an ABS plastic, scratch and dent resistant. Really easy to remove yourself if you do damage it. A couple pins underneath there. Buy it in the parts department. You don't need a body shop guy. If you've got a handy friend or relative, they can do that right there for you. The upper part of the grille is a silver painted metallic finish with of course that huge Toyota badge. This is the gas edition, so your standard silver and black. The hybrid's going to have silver, black, and blue. Gloss black slotted grille here as well, and you'll see more of this gloss black trim as we dive inside in video number 2. Toyota loves the gloss black trim, so you'll see it all over the place on many Toyotas. As we come around to the side, we've got our over fenders. These are again that matte ABS plastic, also easy to replace. A nice size wheel and tire on here. You're looking at an 18-inch cast aluminum wheel with kind of a satin finish with a gunmetal gray painted inner. This is a nice road tire, nice smooth road tire. 235/65 is the sidewall on there, so it does give a nice smooth ride. We do have a fully independent front suspension with McPherson struts. We have ventilated front disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, traction control. Oh, by the way, this one is a 2-wheel drive, so that makes it a front-wheel drive with no power to the rear wheel. They do offer this in the all-wheel drive as well. The 4-cylinder 2-wheel drive combined fuel economy is 25 miles per gallon. In the all-wheel drive, you lose a mile per gallon. Outside mirrors, painted color to match, midnight black. LED turn signals with the chrome trim, and then they have chrome trim going around the lower part of the windowsill there. These mirrors do fold in, by the way. They also break away, so if somebody clips them with a bike or a shopping cart, minimize damage. Blind spot monitoring in the mirrors. Heated mirrors, of course, are also power. They're nice large mirrors, so if you're going to be doing any trailer towing, which by the way, the 4-cylinder is up to 5,000 pounds. Those oversized mirrors is handy for trailer towing. Color to match outside door handles on here. The roof rack, more of that ABS plastic here, scratch and dent resistant, so as you close the door with your rings and such, you're not going to scratch that up. Roof rail system is silver metallic. We've got a power sliding moonroof up there, and then you can get attachments here if you want to put canoes or bikes or what have you up on the top. Privacy glass on all the rear windows, including the tailgate. This one, just a real quick look at the window sticker, has the 12-inch display for the interior there. Check that out in video number 2. All-weather floor mats with destination. This one comes in at $44,118, and that's your front-wheel drive 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. We'll pop the hood here in just a minute, and I'll show you that new engine on here. Rear brakes are ventilated disc brakes as well, and of course I mentioned traction control on there, or I'm sorry, stability control on there as well. As we swing around to the back, your rear tail lenses are very similar to what we saw up front, where they come around completely on the side of the vehicle for added visibility. Nice bright red lenses, clear lenses. Up top we've got our color to match spoiler, color to match shark fin antenna, third brake lights right here, tinted windows, rear window defrost, rear washer wiper. This window does not open. It's static, cannot open it. XLE badging in silver, chrome I should say, Highlander in chrome, and the Toyota badge in chrome. They do offer a blackout package for those emblems as an additional charge. Lower bumper, these are reflectors down here, so those are not lights. And then you've got that ABS plastic as well, so if you do ding up the rear fascia down here, you can replace that. You don't need a body shop. Single exhaust system coming out here on the passenger side, and then we do have a fully independent rear suspension, and you'll see your spare tire, full-size spare tire up underneath. That's a steel wheel, it's not the aluminum wheel that's on the ground, but it's nice to have that full-size wheel when you're doing some trailer towing. If you have a flat tire, you definitely want to have the full-size spare. Underneath here is our backup camera, and then we do have the power lift gate on the XLE edition. So let's go ahead and swing up front here. I'll pop that hood and we'll take a look at the new 2.4 liter 4-cylinder 16 valve turbocharged engine. So all new for 2023, this 2.4 liter 4-cylinder 16 valve turbocharged gas engine. So no more 6 cylinders on the Highlanders. You can get it in a hybrid, which is a 4, or you can get it in the turbo 4-cylinder gasoline engine. Now you may be wondering, why would they go from a 4 to a 6 to a 4? Obviously looking for a little bit better fuel economy. They achieved that just a little bit, but they're also looking for a cleaner engine. So this has ultra low fuel emissions on here. It is a front wheel drive, and the engine's mounted in there transversely, of course. As I mentioned, a 16 valve engine. It's connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission, so a traditional transmission, no CVT on the gas engine. If you go with a hybrid, then you get the CVT transmission, so a little bit of a difference there. 265 horsepower on this one, but it does produce a lot of torque, 310 foot-pounds of torque, and it hits peak torque between 1700 and 3600 RPMs. So I will tell you, it definitely is more powerful, or feels more powerful. The first time I drove it to bring it over here and do the review, I stepped on it, it spun the front wheels, even though it has traction control. So there's plenty of power here, no doubt in my mind. Trailer towing capacity is 5,000 pounds. So you're gonna be able to pull a small to lightweight medium boat or camper on here, but it should get the job done. Now the engine and the transmission has the standard Toyota warranty. That's a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty with no deductible. We also include Toyota Care. So that's going to be your basic maintenance, your fluid top-offs, your oil changes, and tire rotations. Toyota covers those for the first 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. And then finally, the limited warranty on a Toyota product, the Highlander, is going to be a 3-year, 36,000 mile limited warranty. So that's your exterior overview on this one. Midnight Black 2023 Toyota Highlander XLE with the all-new 2.4 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged gasoline engine. Hey, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about the inside, the interior, watch for the link at the end of this video. That's when I dive inside and we cover all the new interior features, and there's a few of them, including a new gauge cluster, including a new center stack. So stay tuned for the interior. Thanks for watching.